Okay, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are enjoying the video of this sweater. And in today's tutorial we will crochet a matching hat for this. Okay, so to start you will need a tape measure. I'm using a 3.5 hook and the same yarn, a DK or a light worsted weight yarn like the one we used in the sweater. And you will need a needle. Look for the one that you can get your yarn through, and scissors. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and like the video for me. Okay, so to start, here I make 72 double crochet, so there's a video, please to check that for the crochet foundation without chains. But for this you will need your own measurement. Okay, here I have 8.5 inch. For some it might not fit. Okay, so use your own measurement, and if you need to be 9 inch you can make more double crochet, but you have to count your double crochets by 3. Okay, use your own measurement. Here I have 8.5 and I have 72 double crochets. If you need, just make more double crochets and count them by 3. Okay, like this. So after you made a band of double crochet like this, from where you start on top of this chain 3, take this loop, join, chain 1 and through this part and through the other side, and make a slip stitch and slip stitch through both like that. Okay, after you join with a slip stitch like this, you chain 1 and in the same stitch here, in this first stitch, make a single crochet, and then you single crochet again into this single crochet, and that will count as a first double crochet. And you leave this and to the next do a front post double crochet, a back post double crochet, a front post, a back post, front post, back post double crochet, so for this round just continue like this, 1 front post double crochet and 1 back post double crochet. Okay, I see you here. We should end our round with a front post double crochet, so get your double crochet through that like this. Okay, and this first double crochet will act as a back post double crochet, so join like that, and again we are going to repeat this 2 more rounds, so we will have 4 rounds like this. Okay, this is the first, second, third and fourth. Okay, so chain 1 and twist this and make a double crochet here, or you can do what you did in this round with single crochet on top of a single crochet. Okay, and do this 3 rounds, I mean 4 rounds, so we will have 4 rounds. Do 2 more Okay, when you have 4 rounds in this brim, I will start the pattern. After this ribbing, I have 4 rounds here, 1 2 3 4. So to start our pattern, slip stitch into this next stitch, chain 1, pull this loop, twist, and in the same stitch make a double crochet. This is first double crochet. In the same stitch again, 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 more double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, skip 2 1 2 on the third one, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 1 and then 2 double crochet in the same stitch, like this. Skip 2 stitch again, 1 2 in the third one, 2 double crochet, 1 2, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. And for this round we continue just like this. Skip 2, on the third make your fan or shell. Okay, and before you join here you should have 2 stitch left before you join here with a slip stitch. Continue. See you in the next round. So after you join here with a slip stitch, then slip stitch into the next stitch, and from this round onwards we are going to start our round with a slip stitch, chain 1. Okay, and you twist this loop and front post double crochet. Okay, from this round onwards we are going to start our round just like this. This is your first front post double crochet. In this chain space make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, and these 2 double crochets, take this one and make a front post double crochet, skip 1 2 and in this, okay, skip 2, front post double crochet, in the chain space 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, and front post double crochet. We are going to skip this first and this last double crochet of every fan, and we are working in these 2 double crochets only. Okay, so one more time, skip 1 2 and front post double crochet, in the chain space double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and front post double crochet, like this. So continue this round, I'll see you here. So the pattern is taking shape. Okay, so slip stitch into the next again, chain 1, pull this loop and twist, make a front post. Like I told you, we are going to start our every round just like this, and we are repeating this round. Okay, in the chain space you make a double crochet, you chain 1, double crochet with a front post double crochet, you skip this last of this and the first of this, so skip 2, front post double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, front post double crochet, like this. So you skip 2 again and do a front post double crochet. In the chain space, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and front post double crochet. And when you are here, skip 2 and join your slip stitch and start the round again with slip stitch into the next stitch and front post double crochet, and repeat this round. Okay, use your measurement, measure from this point. Okay, we will walk until we have 17 centimeters. Okay, when you have 17 centimeters, I will show you what we need to do. Okay, this is 17 centimeters, and in this round 17 centimeters, okay, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 rounds of this fan. And in this round, slip stitch into the next and make a double crochet. Okay, double crochet here and a double crochet on top of this double crochet. We will have 2 double crochets and a cluster of 2 double crochets, 1 2 and a cluster. Again you have 1 and 2, and then you have a cluster again, like this. 2 double crochet, a cluster of 2, and then you have again 1 2. Don't work on this chain 1. Okay, 2 and a cluster of 2 double crochet again. And for this round, continue just like this. Okay, I'll see you here. End your round with a cluster and then join with a slip stitch and chain 1 and make a double crochet and 1, and then we will make a cluster again, 1 2, and then 1 double crochet and 1 cluster of 2 double crochet, like this. 1 and cluster. Okay, here we make a cluster after 2, we make a cluster after 1 in this round. Continue, I'll show you. So here also end the cluster and join with a slip stitch and then cut your yarn like this and secure. Turn your hat inside out and this is the inside. See, This actually looks really nice too, don't you think? Take your needle, get your yarn through, and sew this part in. Okay, I prefer to go in every stitch. And our hat is done, and you can add a pom-pom, okay, to make it more beautiful. This is how it looks. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.